Hi Connor, welcome to our Excel beginner class. So in this video I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how to get started with this online class. So you can see I have a web browser on the screen. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use whatever web browser you like. Go to the Madison College homepage, so it's madisoncollege.edu. From there I want you to click on Current Students, and then scroll down kind of in the middle, look for the link to Blackboard. You're going to be required to log in, use your Madison College username and password. I've already logged in, so it just goes. And then look for our class name, so Excel Beginning, and then click there. All of the class material is within this Blackboard site. Blackboard is just a brand name. It's like saying Kleenex. So we at Madison College use Blackboard. Maybe UWM did too. We use Blackboard as a way for delivering our course content. So I have all of my information for the class here. I have announcements, and then at the left is the navigation pane. So you can find my instructor contact information. Here's the syllabus. I click at the left. I'm going to scroll down. So I want you to do a couple things to get started. First, I want you to click on assignments. And I want you to do all of the orientation assignments. So because this is an online class, all of the instructions are here. So when you click on the orientation assignments, it tells you exactly what to do. So it requires a lot of reading, but the good news is you don't have to sit in class with me, but the bad news is you have to read all the stuff I would just normally say in class. So read all this information, do all of these assignments. And then when you're ready, a part of what you'll do here is you'll register with the My IT Lab website. So our entire course is within Blackboard, but then additionally, we have homework assignments that we'll complete using this website called My IT Lab. And we use it for a lot of reasons. Anyway, I won't get into that here. Okay, so read all of the information here. And I even have some videos to show you how to register with My IT Lab. You have to buy a code. That's the required purchase for our class, is you have to buy a code to use the My IT Lab website. You can get that from the bookstore. And then go ahead and register. So you're going to do all of those orientation assignments. Email me, do the quiz, register with My IT Lab. Then when you're ready to move on, take a look at the course calendar of due dates. And you had emailed me, I had dates in the syllabus that weren't right, and I've removed those dates. I didn't mean for them to be there. So ignore those. These are the dates that I want you to use. And so you'll see our first chapter assignment is due by Monday. So get to work on those things. If you have any questions at all, I have lots of videos, but I'm here to help. You can email me at any time. I did try to call you tonight, like you had let me know, but that didn't work out. No pickup. So feel free to call me or send me an email at any time. Thanks.